In this video we are looking at the CentOS 7 installation full version. We have already installed up to this point of time that we have covered in previous video. So now our screen is, after installing all the packages, it is on reboot. So now we are going to click on reboot and we are going to perform certain settings. So we are going to click on the reboot button. Now it will start. Now it will give us the GUI mode and it will ask for certain things and we will supply those things, and according to we will move forward. Then what we are going to do, because most of the time we will be working in text mode, in some other video we will be looking at how to go into text mode permanently. So now we will be getting the GUI screen. So we will be performing the further steps. License information, we have to accept the, so we are accepting the license information. So we will say finish configuration. Again it will reboot. Now in which language we will be choosing the English. Again English USA, by default it is okay, so we will click on next. Privacy on, we will say next. We are denying the access. Currently we are in India, so I am going to click India, Kolkata 9. So we will say next. We will skip this. We don't want to at this point of time connect with our online accounts. So I will give my full name, Vipin Gupta. It is going to create one account, but I don't want to keep it Vipin Gupta. I just want simple account name to be Vipin. Password, I am keeping it very simple, 1 2 3 4 5 6, although it is not recommended, but still. So I will say next, start using. Now we will see as which user it is allowing us to log in. So we will close this. I will go to the system tools, terminal. It has allowed us to log in as a VPN user. I want to log in as a root user. So what I have to do, I will close this. I will say Vipin Gupta, log out. I want to log in as a root user. So it is showing us Vipin Gupta, but what we want, not listed. Our user is not listed. So I will click on not listed. Username is root. Next. Password 1 2 3 4 5 6 that we have given at the time of installation. Again it will ask for the settings. English by default is okay, so we will go with the next. Again, keyboard is English default. We will keep it the same. Next, we don't want this SS. I do not want to link with online account, so I will say skip. We will say start using Linux. I will close this. With terminal windows, what we can do, that means now we are logged in as user. We could have opened the terminal with right click, open terminal. That means we were able to set up our Linux.